Everything looks like it's gonna go my way, so we will see what's gonna happen in the week. But this is the trade I entered. As you remember, I was talking about this trade, and this is an NZD CAT, currently on the 4 hour. We are beautifully bearish. You can see this beautiful bearish candle engulfing. Now we're coming back to retest. If you look at the 2 hour chart, 2 hour time frame, you can see this beautiful rejection. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had a bearish candle. We didn't broke below this one, but when you look at the 30 minutes, we had a beautifully engulfing bearish candle under this previous lows or higher lows, and now it looks like we're retesting. So I already did enter, I think a little bit too early, but I still like this trade. We'll see what's gonna happen. This is my bears for this week. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I'm gonna stick to my plan and see what's gonna happen. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, we stick to our plan, and currently I'm still in NZD CAT. You can see it didn't stop me almost, but it went pretty close. And if I look at the 1 hour chart, I entered here because I saw a nice bearish engulfing. I entered, it went to my profit, it came all the way back, and we're kind of consolidating. And then there was a news yesterday in Canada, and then it went a little bit of profit again here. You can see around this area, and it went back up this morning in Asia time. And now we just turned to London session. So currently London is, where's London? Here, 7 a.m. So in 1 hour is London session, and we're looking good. If you look at the 4 hour chart, we are looking very, very, very nicely. If you look at daily time frame, I believe we're gonna go all the way down here because this is the weekly support. So we're just gonna drip all the way down. I'm also in these two positions, and I calculate actually this one very very wrong, but it's okay. I calculate this one, it's got like 100 pips stop loss, but I don't really care. It's just a very, very tiny position of my portfolio. So that one, if that work out, great. If it doesn't, then well, it's still okay. And Euro GBP, same as Euro AUD, very, very small position. What happened here? We turned bullish here. You can see this massive on the daily massive candle, but we just quickly break down. We bounce, and this looks like a very uneven head and shoulders. You can see one shoulder, head, and shoulder. So I think we're just gonna continue back where it was before. I believe this is on a weekly time frame as well. Yes, all the way to the weekly support zone. But we'll see what's gonna happen. A very, very small position, or very, very small size for my entire portfolio. So possibly we can go all the way down here, which will be 1 to 3.63. But let's see how it goes. For now, I'm gonna take a shower because I still haven't taken a shower from Muay Thai. And I'll catch you guys in the next clip where I'm gonna do, I don't know what yet. So keep watching, don't just keep it or turn it off. The best is yet to come. I don't know, or don't watch it, it's up to you, you know. Do whatever hell you want, up to you. Markets opened a few hours ago, and it is currently 21st of October, actually November, and it's 11:19 a.m. and it's Asia time, and I'm currently still in this trade NZD CAT since I believe is Monday. Yeah, so currently I'm at 1-1. Let me get this. So yeah, a little more than 1-1. My plan to potentially hold it all the way down here because that's a weekly support. I'm also in these two trades, Euro AUD, Euro GBP. This one I calculated actually wrong my position size, so I entered really big stop loss, but it's okay. It's just a very small position of my portfolio. And then lastly we have Euro GBP. This is very small position as well, but we have beautiful breakdown from the 4-hour resistance, or daily resistance actually, but we broke below the previous lows on a 4-hour. So I'm anticipating to hold to 123.6, as you can see. We'll see how that goes. But for now, I'm gonna go for a dry on my bike. I'm gonna get some to eat, some coffee. I'm gonna enjoy my day because it's super sunny. It is currently Saturday, 23rd of November. You can see. And it's a beautiful rainy day here in Siargao in Philippines. And I had a positive week after 2 or 3 weeks of losing streak and nearly blowing on my account. We are not back, but we got quite good stuff. I had a 1 to 2.6 NZD CAT, which was positive. I wanted to hold it actually all the way here. If you look at the daily time frame, I actually wanted to hold it to the price where is it right now, but I did close earlier because I needed some profit. But if I hold it, it will be 1 to 3.6, something like that. But I'm still happy with that because I did need some profits. I was on 91.6 or something like that. Next one we have Euro GBP. This one, it went well as well. I think this one was only 1-1. You can see this one 1-1. I already entered another position on Friday, yesterday, because I honestly think this is gonna go much lower. You can see beautiful head and shoulders, and I think this is gonna continue down. And then lastly we have Euro AUD, which was very small position as well for me, and I did calculate this position in wrong, so you can see it's 100 pips. So huge stop loss. I only had like 1-1 to this support zone and I closed it. What I'm expecting actually with this for the next week, you can see beautiful head and shoulders breakdown, and I think we're gonna come back here. Actually, let me get this too. I think we're gonna do something like this. Come back here, retest, and continue down. That's my opinion. But we'll see what's gonna happen. If you look at the weekly chart, I think this is gonna go all the way down here to this area. So we'll see what's gonna happen. For now, I have no electricity in this place because there is an outage the whole Saturday from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. So yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the rain outside, have my coffee, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.